good morning everyone. My name is Khyati from grade 9 Laurel High Global School. Today I'm going to be explaining about lawyer and how to become a lawyer. So firstly, who is a lawyer? A lawyer is a person who practices law as an advocate, and a lawyer has a degree in law and has a license to practice law in a particular area. So now, how to become a lawyer? There are 5 steps to become a lawyer. The first step is you must earn a degree in bachelor's. In bachelor's, you have to do either commerce or science. So after doing that, you will have eligibility to join in a law school. So the next step is you have to write the law school entrance test, admission test. So after writing this admission test, you will get an opportunity to enter into a law school. So the next step is you will earn a degree in LLB. After the three course of law in the law school, you will be earning an LLB degree, which is Bachelor's of Lawyer. So the next step is you have to participate in a clerkship. Clerkship is nothing but a part-time job which gives you experience in law and which helps you to get a license. So the last step to become a lawyer is you have to write state bar exams. So the state bar exam is a license exam for become an official lawyer. So yeah. So these are the 10 universities to study law in India. First one is National Law School of India University, which is in Bangalore. Next is National Law University in Delhi. Next is NALSAR University of Law in Hyderabad. And these are the 10 universities to study law in abroad. First one is Harvard University in United States. Next is University of Oxford in United Kingdom. And the next one is University of Cambridge in United Kingdom. And thank you all for listening.